Welcome to 919 East Ashley Avenue, a stunning modern oasis located in the charming beach town of Folly Beach, South Carolina. With beach access just steps away, this 2,550 square foot, 4-bed, 3-bath home is a true gem. Fully renovated in 2023, the sleek and contemporary design creates a perfect balance between style and functionality. The heart of the home is the expansive living area. The large living room gives way to the screened-in porch. Listen to the sound of crashing waves while enjoying your morning coffee or evening beverage. The highly functional kitchen features quartz countertops, modern appliances, and a convenient servery window to the outside deck. An extension of this incredible living area is the large deck complete with a hot tub. The seamless flow from indoors to the lush backyard with beautiful crape myrtles, palms, and a majestic live oak tree is unmatched. The 10th Street beach access, just a few steps from the backyard, is the perfect place to catch a few waves and enjoy your favorite beach activities. This stretch of beach is laid back and the perfect contrast to the busier sections of the island. At the end of your memorable days, retreat to the second floor primary bedroom suite. The ensuite bathroom boasts a stunning spa shower and soaking tub. Step out onto the relaxing top floor balcony and soak in panoramic views of Folly Beach. Affectionately known as Follynesia, this charming nickname perfectly captures the relaxed and carefree vibe that embodies Folly Beach living.